I'm at the summit. Mali, sit. Oh, good girl.
See you.
See you. Enjoy the day. Mali. Hi everyone, Kwame the Wanderer here, the guy who shows you the world one place at a time. Good morning from the beautiful Sunshine Coast. Today, I'm coming to do a nature walk at Mount Ninderry. Mount Ninderry is one of the beautiful landmarks here on the Sunshine Coast. This mountain's height is 304 meters and the Mount Ninderry Summit walk takes about 30 to 40 minutes from the start to the summit. The distance is 1.4 kilometers and I'm here with my best mate, my partner in crime, Mali, to hike from the bottom to the top. Join us for this adventure at Mount Ninderry, Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. Let's go! Ha! You can see me sitting with my beautiful Mali. One good thing about Mount Ninderry Environmental Reserve is this place is one of the only dog-friendly nature reserves or bush walks you can get in the Sunshine Coast. That's why I'm here with my best mate.
And they tell you when you hire a bull.
Walk on. Good girl. This way. Good girl. Walk on. You're doing well, girl. She's a good girl. She's so beautiful. Let's move. No, this way. Come here. Good. What a view. Very impressive.
It's fabulous.
Enjoy the day. I've made it to the summit. I'm now sitting right in front of the eastern lookout of Mount Ninderry. I'm having a drink, and after I'll climb on the platform and show you the fantastic view. Mates, I've finished drinking my water and I feel refreshed now. Follow me, let's go and have a look at the eastern lookout of Mount Ninderry. Wanderers, that brings an end to today's hiking. Thanks for being part of it. I'm sure you enjoyed it. Even this view alone is $1 million view. It has made my day. Looking forward to go for the next adventure. Stay tuned. Bye-bye. Kwame the Wanderer, showing you the world one place at a time.